and welcome to $3 TV. I am your host Ruchi Sharma. It's Monday, the day we bring you latest updates from the Main Street. A bunch of curated stories in the Web3 space, giving you the flavor of the latest market activity and the freshest deals struck during this week. We have deals from various segments in this show so that you, our viewers, stay well informed of the latest developments. So, let's get started. Tokenization specialist Securitize is aiming for a public listing through a SPAC merger, Cantor Equity Partners 2. The deal values Securitize at $1.25 billion and will see the company list on Nasdaq under the ticker SECZ, the firm added. Securitize also plans to tokenize its own equity, making its shares available to trade and transfer on blockchain rails. Securitize's existing investors include ARK Invest, BlackRock, and Morgan Stanley Investment Management will roll out their entire stakes into the combined company. The transaction includes $225 million in new and existing institutional investment through a private investment in public equity financing round led by ARK, Parafy Capital, and others. The listing would make Securitize the first US public firm to offer end-to-end tokenization infrastructure aimed at Securitize. The company is one of the largest issuer of tokenized assets, spearheading the issuance of $4.5 billion of on-chain Securitize, RWA.XYZ data shows. Moving on to the next deal of the week. Strategy Incorporation, a software firm led by billionaire Michael Saylor, announced that it has priced its initial public offering of 10% Series A perpetual stream preferred stock known as STRE. The company said the offering will raise about $715 million and will officially close on November 13, 2025 after getting final approvals. The raised money will be used to expand the business and purchase more Bitcoin as part of its plan. The offering includes 7.75 million shares priced at €80 each. The total amount raised is higher than the company's previous plan of €350 million because more investors wanted to take part. After paying all fees and expenses, Strategy expects to keep around $702.2 million. The company based these numbers on the euro to dollar rate of €1 to $1.15 as reported by the company. Recently, Michael Saylor's Strategy has purchased an additional 487 BTC for $49.9 million at an average price of $102,557 per Bitcoin, raising its total holdings to 641,692 BTC worth $47.54 billion. Moving on to the next deal of the week. Ethereum Layer 2 project MegaETH has pulled in $450 million during a token sale that drew nearly 9 times its fundraising target within hours of going live. Blockchain analytics firm Arkham revealed that 819 wallets committed the maximum amount, sending $186,000 worth of USDT to MegaETH sale address, with the total amount of investors reaching 14,491. Backed by Ethereum co-founders Vitalik Buterin and Joe Lubin via parent company Mega Labs, MegaETH aims to deliver sub-millisecond latency and 100,000 transactions per second performance that rivals traditional web applications while retaining Ethereum compatibility. Mega tokens, which will be ERC20 tokens, will underpin the network when trading goes live in January 2026. Moving on to the next deal of the week. Nasdaq-listed OceanPal Incorporation raised $120 million through a private investment in public equity deal to launch Sovereign AI, a subsidiary focused on commercializing the NEAR protocol and developing AI infrastructure. According to the announcement, Sovereign AI will implement a crypto treasury strategy with plans to acquire up to 10% of the NEAR token supply. The move, developed in partnership with the NEAR Foundation, makes OceanPal a public vehicle for exposure to the crypto protocol's native token. OceanPal said the partnership with the NEAR Foundation is based on a shared vision of universal AI sovereignty. Launched in 2020, NEAR is a Layer 1 blockchain supporting AI applications, allowing AI agents to interact, manage assets, and operate securely across networks, according to the project's website. Moving on to the next deal of the week. Prenetics, the health science company backed by David Beckham, has raised $48 million in an oversubscribed equity round to expand its wellness brand IM8 and advance its Bitcoin treasury strategy. Total proceeds could reach $216 million through warrant exercises, Prenetics said. The round included investors such as Kraken, Exodus, GPTX, and American Ventures. Prenetics CEO Dan Young said the funds will help IM8, which hit $100 million in annual recurring revenue in 11 months, scale globally while accumulating 1 BTC daily toward a goal of $1 billion in both revenue and Bitcoin within 5 years. At present, the Hong Kong headquartered company holds 268.4 BTC worth $30.9 million according to Bitcoin Treasuries. Well, that's all in this episode of the Deal Corner. This is Mute Sharma signing off. Keep watching 3 TV.